Is your Vuse Alto device not charging? Here's a quick fix. Most of the time, it's not a charger that has an issue, it's the charging connections that are dirty. And all it takes is a toothbrush. I'm using the Vuse Alto USB-C cable from BRIK Charger to show this issue, where I put the Vuse device in and it just doesn't charge. It's blinking like this, but it's just not making the connection. And I'll also use this BRIK portable charger for Vuse Alto, another BRIK product, to show that the Vuse is not charging. Is this a problem with the chargers? No, it's a problem with the Vuse Alto device's charging connections. In fact, inside here, it's dirty. So if you use this toothbrush and you just scrub those connections, try to get inside of there with the bristles of the toothbrush to get the dirt or the dust or whatever's in those charging connection ports. You try to get it out. And now it should work properly. There you go. Vuse Alto device is working inside the USB-C cable. And then with the BRIK portable charger, it's working as well. So that's a quick fix. All you need is an old toothbrush and you're good to go. And I'll make sure to include the links to these awesome BRIK products below in the description.